I'm about to share 5 simple exercises that can give you impressive arms in no time. No gym, no equipment, no complicated routines, just movements that actually work. Most people waste months doing random arm workouts that barely change anything because they focus on weight instead of tension, speed instead of control, and volume instead of consistency. Today, we're fixing that. This routine is designed to keep your muscles under constant tension, forcing your arms to work harder in less time. You'll perform each exercise at maximum intensity for 50 seconds, followed by a 10-second rest. That's it. If you're ready to train smarter, not longer, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and follow along so you don't miss the rest of this workout. Let's get started. Exercise 1, diamond push-ups. First, we have diamond push-ups. These push-ups put most of the work on your triceps instead of your chest. Start in a push-up position and bring your hands close together, forming a diamond shape with your thumbs and index finger. Lower yourself while keeping your elbows tucked close to your body, then push back up. Focus on controlled movement rather than speed. The goal is to maintain good form for the full 50 seconds. Exercise 2, plank taps. Next up are plank taps. This exercise works your arms while forcing your core to stabilize. Get into a high plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders. Lift your right hand and tap your left shoulder, then switch sides. The key is to keep your hips from rotating. The more stable your body stays, the more your arms and core have to work. Keep a steady rhythm. Control the movement, don't rush it. Exercise 3, arm circles. Next are arm circles, a simple but very effective way to build shoulder endurance. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and extend your arms straight out to the sides. Start making small circles, keeping the motion controlled. After about 25 seconds, reverse the direction. The longer your arms stay raised, the more fatigue builds up. By the end of 50 seconds, trust me, you will feel the burn. Exercise 4, tricep dips. Fourth on our list are tricep dips. This exercise puts all the focus on your triceps. Find a sturdy chair or the edge of your bed. Sit down and place your hands on the edge, fingers facing forward. Slide forward so your weight is supported by your arms. Lower yourself by bending your elbows straight back, then push yourself back up. Keep the movement controlled and avoid using momentum. The more tension you keep on your arms, the more effective this exercise becomes. And for the finale, wall push-ups. A great way to finish strong while keeping the focus on your arms. Stand facing a wall at arm's length and place your hands flat against it, shoulder-width apart. Lean in by bending your elbows and bringing your chest toward the wall, then push back to the starting position. The further you stand from the wall, the more effort your arms and shoulders need to make. Adjust the distance to keep it challenging. Why this works? Now, you might be thinking, don't I need to lift heavy weights for hours to see real gains? The answer is no. Muscle growth doesn't happen while you're working out, it happens after. When you challenge your muscles, even with bodyweight exercises, you create tiny tears in the muscle fibers. Your body repairs those fibers, making them stronger and more defined. One of the biggest factors in muscle growth is time under tension, how long your muscles stay engaged. Studies show that 30 to 60 seconds per set is enough to stimulate growth. That's exactly what we're doing here. Each exercise lasts 50 seconds, maximizing muscle activation. This routine works because, first, it's efficient. 5 exercises, minimal rest, maximum results. Second, it keeps muscles under tension long enough to stimulate growth. Third, it triggers muscle repair through short, intense bursts. And fourth, it's adaptable. You can increase intensity by slowing reps, adding pauses, or repeating the routine for longer sessions. So whether you're just getting started or you need a fast, effective arm workout you can do anywhere, this 5-minute routine proves you don't need equipment to build real strength. The results come from consistency, so save this workout, come back to it, and put it to work. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and check out the next workout so you can keep building strength the smart way. Start now, and I'll see you in the next one.